A blessed day, learners. Get ready to embark on a journey of learning and enjoyment in this video. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating topic on Fishpond method, a flexible approach to project management. Remember to stay safe, and may God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is the primary focus of the Fishpond method in project management? A. Linear development. B. Incremental progress. C. Waterfall approach. D. Big Bang integration. In the Fishpond method, what do the fish represent? A. Project milestones. B. Budget allocations. C. Smaller, manageable tasks or features. D. Stakeholder feedback. Which of the following best describes the prioritization process in the Fishpond method? A. Static and unchangeable. B. Based on personal preferences. C. Dynamic and adaptable. D. Dictated by external consultants. What does the Fishpond method emphasize regarding visibility and transparency? A. Concealing project progress. B. Hiding tasks from stakeholders. C. Providing insight into the development process. D. Keeping stakeholders uninformed. How does the Fishpond method manage risk during project development? A. By avoiding iteration. B. Through incremental progress. C. By keeping stakeholders at bay. D. By following a rigid plan. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
The Fishpond method is a project management technique used primarily in software development and other iterative processes. It is also known as the Fishpond model or Fishpond development. Ang Fishpond method ay isang diskarte sa pamamahala ng proyekto na pangunahing ginagamit sa pagbuo ng software at iba pang umuulit na proseso. Kilala rin ito bilang Fishpond model o Fishpond development. Here's an overview of the Fishpond method. Iterative development. The Fishpond method emphasizes iterative development where the project is broken down into smaller, more manageable chunks called fish. Each fish represents a feature, requirement, or user story that needs to be developed. Ang paraan ng Fishpond ay binibigyang diin ng umuulit na pag-unlad kung saan ang proyekto ay hinati-hati sa mas maliliit, mas madaling pamahalaang mga tipak na tinatawag na isda. Ang bawat isda ay kumakatawan sa isang tampok, kinakailangan, o kwento ng gumagamit na kailangang mabuo. Fishpond structure. The fishpond consists of a pool of fish, with each fish representing a specific task or feature. These fish are prioritized based on their importance and dependencies. Ang fishpond ay binubuo ng isang pool ng mga isda, na ang bawat isda ay kumakatawan sa isang partikular na gawain o tampok. Ang mga isdang ito ay inuuna batay sa kanilang kahalagahan at dependencies. Dynamic prioritization. Prioritization is dynamic, meaning that the order in which tasks are completed can change based on feedback, changing requirements, or emerging priorities. This flexibility allows teams to adapt to evolving project needs. Ang prioridad ay dynamic, ibig sabihin ay maaaring magbago ang pagkakasunod-sunod kung saan natapos ang mga gawain batay sa feedback, pagbabago ng mga kinakailangan, o mga umuusbong na prioridad. Ang kakayahang umangkop na ito ay nagbibigay daan sa mga koponan na umangkop sa mga umuusbong na pangangailangan ng proyekto. Visibility and transparency. The Fishpond provides visibility and transparency into the development process. Stakeholders can see the status of each fish and understand how development is progressing. Ang Fishpond ay nagbibigay ng visibility at transparency sa proseso ng pagbuo. Maaaring makita ng mga stakeholder ang katayuan ng bawat isda at maunawaan kung paano umuunlad ang pag-unlad. Incremental progress. By breaking the project into smaller increments, the Fishpond method allows for incremental progress. This helps manage risk and allows for early feedback from stakeholders. Sa pamamagitan ng paghahati-hati sa proyekto sa mas maliliit na increment, ang Fishpond method ay nagbibigay daan para sa incremental na pag-unlad. Nakakatulong ito na pamahalaan ng panganib at nagbibigay daan para sa maagang feedback mula sa mga stakeholder. Continuous improvement. The Fishpond method encourages continuous improvement by regularly reviewing and refining the project plan. Lessons learned from each iteration can be applied to future iterations to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Ang Fishpond method ay naghihikayat ng patuloy na pagpapabuti sa pamamagitan ng regular na pagripaso at pagpino sa plano ng proyekto. Ang mga aral na natutunan mula sa bawat pag-ulit ay maaaring ilapat sa hinaharap ng mga pag-ulit upang mapabuti ang kahusayan at pagiging epektibo. Collaborative approach. The Fishpond method promotes collaboration among team members, stakeholders, and customers. By involving stakeholders throughout the development process, teams can ensure that the final product meets the needs and expectations of its users. Ang Fishpond method ay nagtataguyod ng pakikipagtulungan sa mga miyembro ng team, stakeholder, at customer. Sa pamamagitan ng pagsali sa mga stakeholder sa buong proseso ng pagdevelop, matitiyak ng mga team na natutugunan ng huling produkto ang mga pangangailangan at inaasahan ng mga gumagamit nito. Overall, the Fishpond method provides a structured approach to project management that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and incremental progress. It is particularly well suited for projects with changing requirements or uncertain scope. Sa pangkalahatan, ang Fishpond method ay nagbibigay ng isang structured na diskarte sa pamamahala ng proyekto na nagbibigay diin sa flexibility, collaboration, at incremental na pag-unlad. Ito ay partikular na angkop para sa mga proyektong may pagbabago ng mga kinakailangan o hindi tiyak na saklaw.
Which aspect of the Fishpond method encourages regular project plan refinement? A. Static prioritization. B. Continuous improvement. C. Isolation of stakeholders. D. Limited collaboration. What is a characteristic of the Fishpond method in terms of collaboration? A. Discourages stakeholder involvement. B. Promotes isolation among team members. C. Encourages active involvement of stakeholders. D. Limits communication channels. Which type of projects is the Fishpond method particularly suitable for? A. Projects with rigid requirements. B. Projects with static scope. C. Projects with uncertain scope or changing requirements. D. Projects with predefined timelines. How does the Fishpond method handle evolving project needs? A. By ignoring feedback. B. By rigidly sticking to the initial plan. C. By adapting to changing requirements. D. By excluding stakeholders from decision-making. What does the Fishpond method encourage regarding lessons learned from iterations? A. Ignoring past mistakes. B. Applying lessons to future iterations. C. Discarding feedback from stakeholders. D. Avoiding project reviews. Which term best describes the Fishpond method's approach to project management? A. Rigidity. B. Flexibility. C. Isolation. D. Unpredictability. How does the Fishpond method differ from traditional waterfall project management? A. It follows a linear progression. B. It emphasizes collaboration. C. It encourages incremental progress. D. It lacks transparency. What role do stakeholders play in the Fishpond method? A. They are kept uninformed. B. They provide occasional feedback. C. They are actively involved throughout the process. D. They are consulted only at project initiation. Which aspect of the Fishpond method contributes to risk management? A. Dynamic prioritization. B. Static development phases. C. Limited stakeholder involvement. D. Inflexible timelines. What does the Fishpond method emphasize in terms of project development? A. Singular, large-scale deliverables. B. Isolation of team members. C. Collaboration and teamwork. D. Avoidance of stakeholder feedback. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban's self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.